Hey guys, it's me Alexis from Make One Lovers channel, part 2. Day in the life of Sarah. My day in the life part 1 is still uploading. So yeah. We have been watching this in 2001. If you guys would be watching this in like 2017 and stuff, you will know that it would not be uploading still. So yeah. We're going to fix up the baby nursery a lot because it's a mess. So yeah. So let's get to it. So this is the baby bathtub, and I'm just going to go ahead and set Miss Sarah in there. Actually, I'm going to need that, so Sarah, stay out. So I'm going to use this, my baby's blankies. I'm going to give her a dry blanket instead of a wet blankie. She can do with the wet blanket as her carpet. So yeah. So it's gonna be the carpet. Baby's out. Okay. Baby lotion. I knew that was gonna happen. I don't know where to put you guys at. I don't want to put you guys in my messy room because my messy room is a mess. Well, my lotion is pink, so I kind of enjoy the pink lotion. Okay. Well, I just got lotion squirted all over me. Guys, I'm kind of sick, not too much. Okay. Get back to you guys when I'm like, kind of done with the nursery, not too much. Alrighty, so I'm done with the nursery. Pretty good looking. I'm going to use my baby wipe container as a bed for my babies, and like up on the top right here, like the little play area. Then over here in this big part is like the little nursery, an extra bed in case one of them is sick. Teddy bear. So yeah, leave me some names for the babies. Bye. Please like, subscribe. I have 11 subscribers. Get me up to 20. Bye.